Currently, I'm headed towards a storm that is a little bit different than your usual Florida thunderstorm, because this one was started by a fire. Still even got smoke feeding into the south side of it. So I think this one will either sustain and continue to grow, or it'll put out outflow that sparks something up out here as well. We've got another one off to my west right now that's a more regular pop-up shower right along the sea breeze, so that's a good sign. There's a lot of area for these to work with today, but I feel like going after this one is a better bet, since this one's already kind of established itself in the air out here. My car at least says it's 96 degrees, so plenty of heat, moisture, and instability to continue to allow this thing to grow. This is some secondary development off of the outflow from that first storm. Just gonna sit and watch what this does for a minute, see if I can get some lightning. It's funny, the only clearing out here that isn't a farm is a giant jail work camp. So that's fun. Yeah, there's going to be a slamming of outflow boundaries in northern Manatee, southern Hillsborough. Pretty strong cell right here. Up with it, just gonna sample this downdraft and then head out. That was a close one. but it is waning a bit since I first went through it on 674. Just thought I'd give it a second shot.